Last week, a developer changed one line of code, and somehow the login page, the checkout, and the entire mobile app all broke at the same time. Nobody touched those, so how does fixing one thing break three others? That right there is the reason regression testing exists. And by the end of these 3 minutes, you'll understand it better than half the developers who cause it. So here's the thing, regression testing is just rerunning your existing tests after a code change to make sure the stuff that used to work still works. That's it. The word regression literally means going backwards. Your software regressed. It slid back into a broken state. Think of it like this. You fix a leaky faucet and suddenly the toilet won't flush. You didn't touch the toilet, but the pipes are connected. Code's the same. Everything's connected, whether the dev admits it or not. Every time you add a feature, fix a bug, or bump a dependency, you're poking a system that already worked. And poking working systems has consequences. A huge chunk of new bugs aren't in the new code at all. They're old features that quietly broke. That's a regression. And here's the nasty part. These bugs are invisible. The feature you just built works perfectly. It's the feature from 3 sprints ago that's now on fire. Nobody's looking there, which is exactly why you test there. Now, you don't manually retest the whole app every single time. You'd never ship anything. This is where automation earns its paycheck. You build a suite of regression tests, wire it into your CI pipeline, and every code change triggers it automatically. Green means safe. Red means, congratulations, you just broke production's past. The best teams run a fast smoke suite on every commit, and the full regression suite overnight. Quick feedback where it counts, deep coverage where it matters. So, regression testing isn't glamorous. Nobody brags about it in stand-up. But it's the one thing standing between just one small change and a very long weekend. Subscribe if you want the stuff they skipped in your onboarding. I'll catch you in the next one.